Are you dreaming of a home that combines the spaciousness of an open floor plan and the easy life appeal of new construction, all while being equipped with the latest technology for a safer, more convenient lifestyle? But do you yearn for your home to have some character and charm? Imagine a community that offers amenities for everyone in your household. Welcome to the Madison by D.R. Horton, nestled in the serene Heron Pointe at Brunswick Forest. Here, you'll discover the perfect fusion of technological sophistication, distinctive character, and unparalleled community amenities. It's exactly what you've been searching for. Hello, real estate explorers. I'm Brad Moody, your real estate agent and coast along the stunning coastline of North Carolina. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a tour in the beautiful town of Leland, located on the Brunswick County side of the Cape Fear River. We're visiting Brunswick Forest, one of my top picks for master plan communities in our area. This gem boasts an impressive championship level golf course, various amenity centers, and scenic nature trails. It's a paradise for any lifestyle. We're in the Heron Pointe section. It's just a stone's throw from the Reflections Amenity Center. Here, you'll find a state-of-the-art fitness center, a refreshing saltwater pool with wet deck, a cozy lounge area, and a lot more. But for now, let's explore the floor plan of the Madison. Let's adventure through the elegance of the Madison model. A splendid 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a 3-car garage, all under the grace of 9-foot tall ceilings and stylish baseboards. The luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout merges sophistication with practicality. The bathrooms are a vision of beauty, featuring chrome finishes, Craftsman mirror frames, and quartz countertops. And the best part? This gem is available for under $500,000. Don't miss out on securing the best prices and incentives. Contact me directly. My details are in the description below. This property is perfectly situated within the school zones of Town Creek Elementary, Leland Middle, and North Brunswick High School, ensuring top-notch education for any member of your family. The open concept living area is perfect for a gas fireplace. The heart of this home is the kitchen, boasting granite countertops atop 42-inch cabinets, complemented by a walk-in pantry, a gas stove, and sleek stainless steel appliances. The primary ensuite elevates luxury, offering dual vanities, a stunning 5-foot walk-in shower adorned with chrome fixtures. This home is not just a living space, it's a lifestyle statement. Presenting the Madison, a stunning Craftsman-style ranch featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage, all within a comfortable 1,941 square feet of living space. Additionally, the Madison is equipped with smart home technology, including a connected thermostat, a smart front door lock, and automated front door lighting, blending modern convenience with classic style. Let's begin our tour by turning to the left. And we'll find bedroom number 1.
Adjacent, we'll find the first full bathroom. There's also a linen closet. To the right is the primary entryway from the garage. Here you'll find the laundry room, as well as the 3-car garage. You'll also find the second full bathroom, and second bedroom. Back off the main hallway, through the French doors, you'll find the beautiful flex space. Welcome to the open concept living area. Adjacent is the kitchen with soft closed drawers. It's also pre-wired for pendant lighting above the island. The kitchen also features a beautiful walk-in pantry, The living room features a fireplace, a ceiling fan, and is ready for TV install above the mantel. Here is the primary bedroom, equipped with ceiling fan. And the primary ensuite, featuring dual vanities, 2 separate closets, and a 5-foot walk-in shower. Off of the dining area, we'll find the beautifully done, screened-in patio.
Thank you for joining me on this exploration. If you enjoyed this tour video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up by hitting that like button below. And if you're looking for more details on this floor plans or others just like it in this neighborhood, feel free to reach out to me. My contact is in the video description below. I'm here to help you secure the best deals and incentives on your ideal home. Please leave a comment on what neighborhood or floor plan you'd like to see me cover next. Your input is vital in shaping future videos. A big thank you for your time and stay safe. I'm Brad Moody, and I look forward to sharing more exciting tour videos with you in upcoming videos.